Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this outfit. Yes, so we are using our plastic bag as our fabric for today. And in case you haven't subscribed, my dear, please subscribe. And in case you subscribe already, please hit that notification bell that you'll be notified when we put up a new video. So what we are going to do, we are going to get our garbage bag and make it unfold. It's already a double layered garbage bag. So since it's double layered, we are again going to fold it twice to make a square. So we are going to measure its length and its width. So when we measured, it was 24 by 21. So since 21 can be measured on either way and we need a square, we are going to take 21 as our measurement. So we are going to get our meter ruler and rotate it around to make 21 across. Yes, you will come marking like that. You get your tailor chalk or a piece of soap, whatever you have. Yes, you mark as you go around. So we are going to connect those points. As you can see, we are using our hand to connect the points all round. So we are going to come on our waist. I just used 4.5 all around. I did not calculate the radius simply because on the waist of this outfit it was a bit gathered, so I did not bother to calculate the radius. Yes, I just cut around. I measured a little bit, not to make it too big, but I just cut around. I estimated, I would say, I just said, okay, let me measure 4.5 around. To cut there and also cut down on the first measurement we made. We are going to cut both, and yes, that is what we have. We also open up one side. And one side of that skirt, I opened up one side. So I told you already this material was unfold. I told you it was unfold before I even folded it. It had two pieces. Yes, it was joined together, two pieces. So I open it up on one side and also open there to completely open up and split the two parts from each other. So what we are going to do, we are going to get that opening and sew along that line. Yes, get our pins and pin down, and we join those parts together. So we are going to go on our sewing machine and sew. After sewing, it will look like that. It will be opened. When we open it, it will be like that. So we opened it. Yeah. So it's like we've joined two circles. Yeah, we've joined two circles. Yeah, so you see that our waist is so wide. It is wide, but we used a drawstring to bring it closer, to bring it together. So that's why I told you don't mind so much. So now we are going to make our down piece. What we do, we get 5 inches. We cut 5 inches wide and stitch a straight stitch. After sewing a straight stitch, we pull the bobbin thread and we make gathers as you see there. We just cut 5 inches. You should take note. I just cut 5 inches. You might cut wider or less, depending on what you want. I did not know the circumference of this cut. Yes, I did not have the right measurement. So I just made 5 of them, and they were not enough. I used 6. But according to you, you can see what you can use. I used 6 of them. So you can choose to measure the circumference or do guesswork as I did. But it is better, I think, to measure the circumference. I did not want to bother myself. But you might measure the circumference and know how much you need. Yeah. So my dear, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yes, in case we put up a new video, you can be notified. We have a lot of videos on this channel. You can check them out. Yeah, you write your comment in case you want me to do you any video for any clothes. Hey, we have cheap material. I told you to make that. You just need to sew a straight stitch from you count 1 inch up, and after 1 inch you sew a straight stitch. Then you make gathers. You just pull the bobbin thread and make those gathers to the way you want them, how gathered you want them. If you want them so tight, you make them so tight. So what you are going to do, you are going to pin that down on our skirt. So we get our pins and pin that down all around the skirt. I told you I needed 6, so you make sure you have enough. You might measure around your skirt and know how much you need. So I did not actually measure. I just said, okay, let me make. And in case they remain, they remain. In case they don't remain, they don't remain. So I had made 5 and I realized it wasn't enough. I made an extra one. Yeah, so I put around the skirt, as you can see there. I pinned it down all around. So we just do that all around, then we take to our sewing machine and we sew. It's not something so complicated. And when you're sewing, you leave the 1 inch up. The 1 inch you left up, you still leave it up. Yeah. So make sure you arrange the right way and make sure you don't make it not to balance. Yeah, I realized on my skirt when I wore it, some parts I think I sewed it a little bit higher than the other, because one side was a little bit, I think, higher. On the observation I made on my skirt when I wore it, I saw it was higher. So I think when I was sewing, I sewed one part higher than the other. So you have to be careful about that when you're doing your sewing or when you're making those pins, because you just follow the pins to do what you do. So we finished sewing all around our skirt, and that's how it came out. So now what we are going to do, we are going to close our skirt Yes, we are going to join it to make a circle. The other space we left, we are going to join it. Yes, we are going to join those sides, that the end of one side to the end of that side, and we sew. So after sewing, we are going to make our drawstrings. We just also measure like a waist for belt, and we also sew it on the top of the skirt. After sewing it, we make two lines, and then we pass our drawstring. You know how to make a waist of a drawstring. It is not something complicated. You just get a fabric and stitch it on the top on the waist and make a drawstring pass through it. So I sewed, as you can see there. I got a piece of fabric, I sewed, then after sewing I made holes, two holes on the front where the strings will get out from. Yes. So I made two openings in the middle front of the skirt. So after doing that, I got a drawstring and put a safety pin and made it pass around in the waist of the skirt. Yes, I used this method because I did not have a waistband. If you have a waistband, you can use a waistband, and if you opt for a belt kind of, you can make just like a belt and gather the pleats and just sew. You can as well opt to use an elastic. Yes, you can stitch an elastic all around the skirt, but guess what we did? Since this is a, so I made the drawstring pass from one hole, make it enter, then pass from the other hole, make it enter, and that was it. After I was done, that was all. So, in case you did not realize, this video is for the skirt. The video for the top is already uploaded. You can check. I'm going to put the link in the description. My dear, this was not a dress. It was a top and skirt. Yes, so that's how our skirt came out to be. Yes, after finishing putting the drawstring all around the skirt, that it was done. I was telling you this was a two-piece. It was a top, a wrap top, and a skirt down. It looked like a dress, but it wasn't a dress. So in case you want the video, it's already uploaded for the top. Yeah, I just wore it together. And you just pull the strings to fit your waist, to your customized waist measurement. You get me? Yeah. And that was it. So that's our model. That's how she came out to be. Thank you.